I'm now ready to change colour on my scarf. I have the next 2 balls of yarn ready, and because we double strand the yarn, I've got the 2 ends together there. I have snit the original colour. I've left a tail of about 15 centimetres there, which we will weave in later. Away we go. So I am just going to put my right needle into the first stitch, ready to knit. Grab my 2 ends, and we want about a 15 centimetre tail there, and holding the 2 ends underneath, we take the working yarn from the ball of yarn in our right hand, wrap it around that bottom needle, and then I'm holding it underneath my work there, and then just slide the right needle back and up through and off. And you'll see it's a little bit loose when we first join, but on the next stitch we can just grab all those ends and just tighten them up around the back, and you can hold them again if you want them to be a little bit firmer. So I'm in that second stitch with my new colour, my right hand, wrap it round, and we're doing a knit stitch and off, and then you won't need to hold them after that second stitch. So we will just carry on now with our row. So I am going round, under, off, round, under, off, and I'm going to continue to the end, and where I do my 2 slipped stitches, and that is how we join. So when I come back and knit the second row, then my second row will be the wrong side. So you'll see on the wrong side of your work, you'll see that the stitches, the second colour shows through a little bit, so that is our wrong side, and our right side, they don't show. It's nice and tidy, so this is our right side. So from now on we will always change on the right side of our work, which is this side where we haven't got the stitches of the 2 colours showing through. And you can mark that side now with a pin or a piece of yarn threaded through, so that you know that that is definitely your right side from now on. The other thing just to show you is the beautiful garter stitch, which you can now see that we've got a bit more length on there. It's gorgeous, squishy, so soft. It's going to be beautiful to wear. And I'll come back and show you the 3rd section and the cast off in the next video.